Mijang Karbiang long cintong lem spen akijoy pen sang keron pon. Pradhan Mantri Kalyan Anna Yojana lake Central Government pen kiduk kelak atumaphan mate sang akat kido atumaphan akijoy pen lems along sang pelesi PMKAY asang ron ponlo. Labangso akijoy asang keron along mesen pen kiron pon tekjia phanpura cintong lem secretary Garsing Hanse, Lems Auditor Joysing Phangcho, Lems Accountant Board Sing Lepen, Rat Kachari atum ongdung atum citong dun rinti.
तो बिनी जाखों तरीकिं को रगथम दाप चिंतों लेम्स along nangapele Modi Sarkar pe nangapele NFSA asang ration card holder NFSA card holder satu makan nilitum cinthong lang pen Julai aciklo mate jakhong aciklo bah nilitum ini pen keron chen.
Yeah, we know that we have noticed that all over the world it is spread the virus of corona. Therefore, we the people of Karbi Anglong, Assam, Chinthong area, we have been received the NFFS FA rice grant by the Modi Sarkar government. We have been distributed today all these commodities and without neglected the religious and the community. So political, we have equally we distribute today this NFSA.
COVID-19 na kisung mahut nili tumatan laku nuren rumudian nat kanalang nile bibita sarkar lusi nili tumpan kisung apor panili tumpan ang kerapa lasi nili tum kadu beta sang kacu deng dunong lo centong lem salong kata lasi nili tum kadu kabistame lasa leng hai pan apaan nang keklem piacun bangko pan nili tum ta anso se neng kang sampen kardong pajer lo nili neng samjin se nili tum sang deng dunong
19 na kiso pen hai nitu mapan rada dapan nitu han nangke pi nang apa je ake joy pen nangke rat dem society pen sintong dem society pen nang pi je depan apa nili tum an sosial lang itu han curulo aku nili ni insan pen rada tu nili tum codeng.
News Text Report Voice of the Hills.